Welcome to my YouTube channel. My tutorial today, I'm teaching you how to secure your YouTube channel. That is in case you have monetized. So we'll be turning the two-step verification. I'll give a step-by-step ultimate guideline. So all monetizing creators are required to turn on two-step verification. Please turn two-step verification to protect your account and to regain full access to YouTube Studio. We will redirect you to Google security to turn two-step verification for your account. Once you have completed this process, you will be directed back to YouTube. So what we'll do, we'll come and turn the two-step verification. Once we click here, we'll be told that we log in, we enter the password to our account. After entering the password, we'll see two-step verification. Use phone as your second step to sign in. After you enter your password, your Google prompts are securely sent to every phone where you are signed in. Just tap the notification and review and sign in. So I will see in this phone, in these two phones, I'll say continue. We see this is my phone number that you can always, in case you have a query, you can always access me via through it. Just WhatsApp me, I'll be able to respond. If you lose your phone number or your second step is unavailable, you will need a backup option to help you get your account. So we'll see that they send me a Google prompt code for verifying for identity through my phone, and my phone is here. I've just received it. I've just received the code. Once I receive the code, I'll be able to enter it. So once I get the code via my phone, I'll be able to put it. And I'm sure as per now, I've turned a two-step verification, and I've turned the two-step verification, and my YouTube channel is now secure. You might be signed into other devices. To sign back in, you need your password and your second step verification. I'll tell it to turn on, and it is good to go. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment how to secure your YouTube channel. And now we are at my dashboard, and it is quite okay. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. Subscribe for more educative tutorials. Thank you.